Get it, Drake. Get it. Get it. The indicator.
Yeah, go ahead and throw one way back in there. Right at that rope swing. That'll do. There it is. Move slightly. If you could tuck another one right on the bank in there.
Look at the pile of leaves down there. That's hilarious.
Always starting. I'm gonna go this way, Dan.
Okay. Okay.
You need to go left. There you go.
That's something under the water.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, your new log or something?
Yeah, it's a log over there. I wish it was a fish. Oh my God. Another just horrifying knot. Because now the jacketing is starting to completely come off. This is when a steelhead should grab it.
I know.
Right when I'm all f***ed up. Either break them off or break a rod. Is that a creek coming in?
I think that's just a river. Oh, there he is. Yep.
There he is.
Keep it tight.
Wow.
To the reel.
Oh shit.
Get him to the reel. Get him to the reel. Get him to the reel.
I'm trying.
Go crazy, man. There he is.
Burnt my fingers.
There he is. Okay. Rod tip down. Get him out of this water. Clear him out, yeah? He's gonna go crazy. Yep. You gotta steer him out. Big fish.
Oh, look at the bend of this rod.
I know, right? Too tight. Yep.
Oh shit, shit, shit.
Yep. Tight. You're good.
Oh my God.
We're good, Dan. I'm just gonna fight him right here, okay?
Okay.
He's gonna be good. Just watch those logs. When he goes over there, keep the rod tip down to the side more. Yes. So he doesn't run into you. That's it. Yep, you got it.
Ooh, that's a nice fish. Oh shit. Dirty worm. They do. They go all over the place.
Here, I'm gonna put plastic grip on that.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him right to you. Here he comes. Yeah! Whoa! Oh man! Holy shit! The last chance hole, and that is a very nice fish. Oh my God!
Look at that.
Oh, crap. On the dirty worm.
That's right.
Gotta love that fly.
Keeper too.
I only got 2 left.
I'll tie you some more. Gee.
Look.
Right on, Dan.
Yeah. Woo, fish on, brother. Nice. This will be going on the dinner table.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
So what happened there, man?
Man, he just, I threw it over right over there, what I thought to be a little creek coming in, and
Yep.
just a little irregularity with the indicator, and it was fish on.
Right on, dude. That was awesome.
Yeah, this one's gonna taste good.
Heck yeah.
What a great fish.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Sweet. Do you want me to kill it?
Yes. All right. This young man, Hunter behind me, works his butt off so you can get a steelhead in the boat no matter how crappy the conditions were. Started off super clear, then we got into some construction with complete mud, and now it's kind of, what'd you call it, opaque?
Yeah.
And look at that. Now we got a great fish that's going to be going on my dinner table tonight. Cannot wait. So I'll leave a link to Hunter's business. He is a sole proprietor, and by hiring him, you're supporting a small family-owned business. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.